Morning, students of class 8. In this period of geometry, we are going to start one new exercise. Before starting that exercise, we know some basic concepts, basic facts regarding quadrilaterals. A plane bounded by four sides is called quadrilateral. It has four sides. Those sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. It has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. It has four vertices as well. Those vertices are vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. Any plane bounded by four sides. A plane bounded by four sides is called a quadrilateral. It has four sides, four angles and four vertices. Now we are going to see the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral that is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to how much? We know the sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. We divided this quadrilateral into two triangles. Those triangles are triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. And we know the sum of all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So this sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree. There are two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. So we can write the sum of all angles of triangle ABD plus the sum of all angles of triangle BCD is equal to the sum of all angles of triangle ABD will give you 180 degree and the sum of all angles of a triangle will give you 180 degree. So this sum became 360 degree. Since we had classified this quadrilateral into two triangles and the sum of all angles of triangle equal to 180 degree, there are two triangles, so total sum of these two triangles, total sum of angles of these two triangles became 180 degree plus 180 degree equal to 360 degree. In this way, we can say the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, will also be equal to 360 degree. Let us start the exercise. Let us start exercise 13B, question number 1. The question is, 4 exterior angles of a quadrilateral are 2x plus 3, x plus 4, 3x plus 3 and x. Then find the angles. In last exercise we have solved. We know one formula from that exercise, that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon, or here we can say quadrilateral, equal to 360 degree. In the explanation, you have studied about this formula of exercise 13A. I want to refer the page number. That page number is 208, in which the list of formula is given, and you will see the sum of all exterior angles in a convex polygon of n sides. In a convex polygon of n sides, the sum of all exterior angles equal to 360 degree. Okay, so here polygon, we have quadrilateral. So I wrote this statement, the sum of all exterior angle of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree, and in this way we can write 2x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus 3x plus 3 plus x equal to 360 degree. These are coming from the given question. 2x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus 3x plus 3 plus x equal to 360 degree. Now add it, 2x plus x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x, 6x plus x, 7x, plus 3, 4, 7, 3, 10 equal to 360 degree. We can write 7x equal to 360 degree minus 10 degree. By the rule of transposition, plus 10 will go that side. After going that side, it will be minus 10. Now we have 7x equal to 350 degree. Therefore, x equal to 7 5s are 35 and one more 0, 50 degree. Now angles, in this part of solution we find the angles of quadrilateral. Angles of the quadrilateral first is 2x plus 3 equal to 2 into 50 degree plus 3 equal to 103 degree. Second is x plus 4, that is 50 degree plus 4 degree equal to 54 degree. Third is 3x plus 3 equal to 3 into 50 degree plus 3 equal to 153 degree. and the last is x, that is equal to 50 degrees. So the angles became 103 degree, 54 degree, 153 degree and 50 degree. This is the answer. Now in question number 2, the question is three angles of a quadrilateral are 75 degree, 85 degree, 100 degree. What is the measure of the fourth angle of a quadrilateral? Three angles of a quadrilateral are given and you are asked to find out the fourth angle, the measure of fourth angle. Let the measure of fourth angle of the quadrilateral be x. Then we know the sum of all interior angles, this is the short form of interior, int dot. The sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. We have these four angles as 75 degree plus 85 degree plus 100 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. We shall add it. This became 5, 5, 10, 8, 7, 15 means 160 degree plus 100 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Now we can write 260 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree equal to 100 degree. So this side we write the answer, the measure of fourth angle of the quadrilateral QUAD is the short form, quadrilateral is equal to 100 degree. This became the answer. In question number 3, the question is two angles of a quadrilateral are 110 degree and 150 degree. If the other two angles are equal, two angles are given and remaining two angles are equal, that is given in the question. Find each equal angle. So I considered here, let two equal angles be x. Then we know the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. This is the formula that I write. Now implies that 110 degree plus 150 degree, third angle is x and fourth angle is also x because remaining two angles are equal. That is equal to 360 degree. From this equation, we have to find out the value of x. The value of x from this equation, we added these two, 110 plus 150 equal to 260 degree plus 2x equal to 360 degree. So 2x equal to, I followed transposition, 260 went that side. After sending that side, it will be minus 260 degree. So x equal to, we subtracted and we got here 100. We got here 100 and this simplification will be equal to 50 degree. So x equal to 50 degree. Equal angles of the quadrilateral, we write answer this side. Equal angles of the quadrilateral QUAD short form is equal to 50 degree each. Two angles are equal, so those two are 50 degree each.